Hello friends, welcome to Fresher Bee. In today's video, we will discuss a latest job opportunity from Wipro. In this video, we will discuss about the job description, role, the qualification required for this job, the location of the job, and so many things. So watch the video till the end. You can get a complete idea about this job. And lastly, we will discuss how one can fill the application form for this job. So without further delay, let us discuss about the job opportunity from Wipro. So Wipro is hiring for the role of graduate engineering trainee. And the location of the job is Noida, India. First of all, let us discuss about the education qualification for this job. So, for this job, the graduate in BCA, BSc, IT, BSc CS, BE, BTech, MCA, this all graduate can apply for this job. The expectation for this job, the candidate should be ready to work on looking for analyst, configuration testing, who can first deliver clear analysis test plans and standard operating procedure for project work. Complete system configuration and testing to ensure the system is operating per requirements. Third, coordinate, coach and develop team members on technology and quality assures fundamentals. Create a culture of continuous improvement. If the candidate have the 4 qualities, then he can apply for this job. Let us discuss about the job description. In this, Wipro Limited is a leading global information technology, consulting and business process services company. Wipro harnesses the power of cognitive computing, hyper automation, robotics, cloud analytics, and emerging technology to help our client adapt to the digital world and make them successful. A company recognized globally for its comprehensive portfolio of service, strong commitment to sustainability and good cooperative citizenship. We have a dedicated workforce of over 1,70,000 servicing clients across 6 continents. Together we discover ideas and connect the dots to build a better and bold new future. So Wipro is a very large exceeding company. Spread across the 6 continents. Wipro HR Services India Pvt Limited is looking for the graduate engineering trainee. This is a best opportunity for the graduate. Let us discuss the role and responsibilities for this job. The experience required for this job is 0 to 1 year. If you have no experience about the job, then also you can apply for this job. Ready to sign a service agreement for 1 year. If you qualify this all, then you have to sign an agreement for 1 year. Should be familiar with testing concepts and SDLC. Excellent troubleshooting and communication skills. You have after entering your email ID, you will get page. Here you have to fill your information, your email ID, name, address, your college education, degree, college, branch studies, score in CGPA or in percentage, year of passing, nationality, and you have to fill your work experience if you have. After filling all this information, you have option to submit your profile. So in this way you can fill your application form. I will provide a link in the description box so you can apply easily for this job opportunity. Thank you.